So we're going to be going over PEMDAS. And PEMDAS is an acronym that will help you solve equations. So PEMDAS stands for parentheses. This is going to be exponents. This is multiply or multiplication. This is going to be division. This is going to be addition. And the last one is going to be subtraction. A way to remember this acronym when you're solving these equations using this order of operations is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, in that order. And that will help you remember that's parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So going to create an example real quick. So the way we're going to do it is we're going to go from left to right. So P for the parentheses, we solve everything inside the parentheses. So I'm going to solve this 5 times 2, and this is going to be equal to 10. So I have 10 squared times 4 plus 10 and minus 2. And now I'm going to do the exponent. So this will then become 10 times 10, which is 100. And this is going to be 100 times 4 plus 10 minus 2. And now the next one is the multiplication. So I'm going to get 100 times 4, which is 400. So then I get 400 plus 10 and then minus 2. And then I can do the addition, which is going to be 410. 400 plus 10 equals 410. And then minus 2. And that is going to be 408. Now we're going to do another example, except using multiple types of grouping. So when I use parentheses, that is a type of grouping, and there are multiple types of groupings. So there's the regular parentheses, so I'm going to do 3 plus 2 in that parentheses, and then there's brackets, which are like rectangle versions of parentheses, and I'll do times 4. And then there's one last one called the curly brackets. That usually has like a little squiggle at the middle of them. And I'm going to quickly get rid of this one, and I'll put a minus 3 and then re-put the squiggly bracket. So when you set it up with multiple types of brackets, what you're going to do is you're going to look at the inside out. So we're going to look at this 5 plus 2 first. So we're going to solve that, and that's going to be 5. So redraw the squiggly brackets, and then the regular brackets, and then you got 5, and then times 4 with the regular brackets, minus 3 with the squiggly brackets, and then go from the outside in again. So 5 times 4 is 20. And this entire setup can be done just using regular parentheses. And a lot of the time in math and engineering, you'll just see parentheses. You won't see brackets or the curly brackets used that much. So a quick example of this would be 3 plus 4 in one set of parentheses, second set minus 2, then a third set times 2. So you do the same order of operations where you go from the inside out. So you have 3 plus 4, which is going to be 7. So you're going to get 7 minus 2, parentheses, another set, times 2. 7 minus 2 is going to be 5. So then I get 5 times 2. These sets of parentheses go away. And then you're going to get 10. Frac times 2. So now I'm going to do one last problem, putting all of these forms together. So I'm going to do 3 times 5 minus or divided by 3 plus 5 divided by 2. And then I'm going to add 4 squared. So now solving this, you're going to solve the parentheses first for PEMDAS, and then you go from the inside out. So this is going to become 8. So then you're going to get 8 divided by 2, which is going to be equal to 4. So now we can rewrite this as 3 times 5 minus 4 divided by plus 4 squared. And then we're going to do the exponent. So 4 squared is going to be 16. So I'm going to quickly erase that. And then we go left to right from PEMDAS. So we did the P already, did the M or E already. Now we have to do the M for multiply. So we get 3 times 5 over here. I'm circling. So that's going to become 15. So now I have 15 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 16. So I have my M step done. Now I have to do my D step for divisible or division. So I have 4 divided by 4 over here. I'm going to quickly circle this. And that's going to become 1. So I'm going to erase this, put a 1. And we're done with the division step. And now the addition step is going to be that 1 plus 16, circling it right here. And then 1 plus 16 is going to be 17. Now we're done with the addition step. And then the last step is that subtraction. So I get 15 minus 17. And that would be equal to minus 2. And we're done. So now we can write the equal sign. And this entire equation will be equal to -2. And if you enjoyed my content, if you could like and comment anything else